You can still flip a car for $1,000 profit in 2025, but only if you know where to look and what to avoid. Most people lose money at car auctions because they bid with their heart, not their head. Let me show you how the smart money flips cheap cars without a dealer license, without drama, and without buying a lemon that screams on startup. First trick, stop chasing the flashy stuff. That shiny BMW with a clean interior and runs and drives in bold, that's bait. Real flippers scan for cars that are boring, ugly, and reliable. Toyota Corollas, Honda Civics, Ford Rangers, workhorses, not show ponies. Why? Because buyers for those cars don't care about style. They care that it runs. That's your market. Now let's talk auction tactics. Don't bid early. That's rookie stuff. Wait until it quiets down, then swoop in low and fast. If you've done your homework, you already know your max price, including fees, transport, and repairs. And if you don't, walk away. One bad flip can kill your whole bankroll. You know that phrase, runs and drives? It means it moved once. That's it. You're not buying a driving experience. You're buying a car that limped 15 feet. Always check the photos. Look for mismatched tires, overspray, missing trim, or a jump box on the engine. That's your warning. Smart flippers don't do engine swaps. They do headlight bulbs, deep cleans, and a new set of hubcaps. Every dollar you spend must double in resale. A $50 detail job worth it. A $900 transmission. That car is now yours forever. Let's say you pick up a 2009 Honda Civic for $1,400 out the door. You spend $100 on a detail, $40 on tires from Facebook, and $60 for registration. Listed for $2,995 with clean pics, cold AC, and a cheerful just detailed in the list. Final sale price $2,400. You walk with $800 to $1,000. That's your win. Car flipping in 2025 isn't dead. It's just made smarter now. You need discipline, not dumb luck. Buy low, fix light, sell fast, and always keep cash for the next deal. Alright, that's me done for today. If that saved you a few quid or gave you a laugh, throw it a like and hit subscribe. Got a mad auction win or a tragic lemon story? Drop it in the comments. I'll read the lot. And if you want tools, listings, and a bit more crack, head over to bidforautos.com. Cheers for watching. I'm Paul, and I'll catch you at the next sale.